You can follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, and WhatsApp as search Amal Jayanayake. Hi guys, today I am going to start my second video series on further pure mathematics. Let's discuss about our new lesson on differentiation. Then, what is differentiation? Differentiation is the process of finding the gradient or the derivative for a function at any given point. Next, in this image, you can see the straight line. It has a constant gradient along the line. So the gradient is a fixed value. Here gradient is equal to m. And then this is a curved line. The gradient is always changing. It depends on where you along the x-axis. When we talk about a summary, in curved line has different gradients. The notation of the gradient function. A function can be written as fx or as an equation in the form y equal ax square plus bx plus c. The notation of the gradient function is dy by dx or f dash x. Standard formulae: fx equal axn f dash x equal n a x to the power a minus 1. Here, in here, the power n, this power, the power n reduced to the power n minus 1, and the power is considered as the coefficient. The power is considered as the coefficient, and here a is a constant. Then we multiply a with n and x to the power a minus 1. As well, y equal axn, then we can get dy by dx equal n a x to the power n minus 1. Next, example number 1. Y equal x to the power 6. Then we can get dy by dx equal 6x to the power 5. Here, power 6 considered as the coefficient and power reduced 6 to 5. Second one, y equal x to the power minus 2. Then we can get dy by dx equal minus 2x to the power minus 3. Third one, y equal x to the power 3 over 2. Then we can get dy by dx 3 over 2 x half. Number 4. It is not in the normal questions form. So, first of all, we have to simplify. Here, we can take the denominator to the numerator. After adding the same base of power, we can get y equal x to the power minus 4, and then we can get dy by dx equal minus 4x to the power minus 5. Next, standard formulae. When y equal ax to the power n plus or minus bx to the power m, then we can get dy by dx equal an x to the power n minus 1 plus or minus b m x to the power n minus 1. Next, example number 2. Question number 1. Y equal x cube plus 5x4. Then we can get dy by dx equal 3x square plus 20x cube. Second questions. First of all, we have to simplify this because of y equal x square over x minus 3 plus 10 times x plus 3. Then after simplify, we can get y equal x to the power 5 plus 10x plus 30. Here 30 is constant. 13 is constant. When y equal k is constant, dy by dx equals 0 because of k is constant. Differentiate function of constant, we can get 0. You should remember that. You should remember, if we differentiate any constant, it is equal to 0. Here you can differentiate each. You can get dy by dx equal 5x 4 plus 10. Next, example number 3. Find the gradient of fx at the point a comma b. Let's discuss about each special theory further. If you want to find the gradient of any curve at any given point, here is the way. First of all, we have to differentiate given function. If y equal fx equal 5x square plus 1, then after differentiate we can get dy by dx equal f dash x equal 10x. Here x is equal simple a. So here dy by dx value we can get as, by substituting simple a because of this x value as a gradient value, we can get dy by dx equal 10a. Next, standard formulae. If y equal a sin kx, we can get dy by dx equal a k cos kx. Here are the most important formulae which we can use for differentiation. In this case, we have to differentiate the angle. Ks. Differentiate, we can get k. By differentiate kx, we can get k. A is constant as a coefficient. ak cos kx. In this case, we have to differentiate the angle and then multiply it by cos angle of itself. Second one, if y equal a tan kx, then by differentiate we can get dy by dx equal a k sec kx. First of all, differentiate the angle and it multiply it sec square angle. Next, here is the same way as the sin kx. If y equal a cos kx, dy by dx equal minus ak sin kx. In that we have differentiate the angle and it multiplied by minus sine angle of itself with we get minus ak sin kx. Next one, y equal ekx, dy by dx equal k is differentiated function of power. When k is differentiate, we can get k and it multiply by y. Y is ekx. Okay, I think you got it. Next, standard formulae. Y equal a times bx plus c to the power m. Then dy by dx am bx plus c to the power n minus 1 times b. By simplifying, we can get a b m times bx plus c to the power n minus 1 m minus 1. Here m power m is reduced to m minus 1, and here bx plus c to the power m minus 1. Okay, next example number 4. Y equal 5 times 2x plus 1 square. Then we can get dy by dx equal 5 2x plus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 times 2. Here number 5 is coefficient. 2x plus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 get differentiated function of within bracket. Number 2 power. Next, function with power m reduced to m minus 1. Next, product rule. Now we are going to discuss the new main part. It's called as product rule. Here you are able to learn how to differentiate functions that are multiplied by together. If y equal u times v, where u and v are functions. Sometimes u and v can be the function of x, t, like that, but here u and v are function of x. Then such a function, first of all, dy by dx, u is a u or v. I take this u, first u times differentiated function of another v, another function, and another function, and without differentiated another function, and differentiated function of u. Again, dy by dx equal u times differentiated function of another u, another v, plus v differentiated function of u. Next, example number 5. Y equal, first questions, y equal x sin x. Then dy by dx, x differentiated function of sin x plus sin s differentiated function of x. Then as the final answer we can get dy by dx equal x cos x plus sin x. Second question, if y equal x times 2x plus 1 cube, then dy by dx x times differentiated function of 2x plus 1 cube plus 2x plus 1 cube times differentiated function of x. By simplifying, as the final answer we can get this. Okay, third one, y equal cos x ex. Cos x and ex are different function. Ex not angle of cos. So dy by dx cos x time differentiated function of ex and ex time differentiated function of sin x, and as the final answer we can get ex times cos x, ex times cos x minus sin x. Number 4 questions, ex plus 1 square times ex. Then we can get x plus 1 square differentiated function of ex ex time differentiated function of x plus 1 square. Then as the final answer we can get dy by dx equal ex time x square plus 4x plus 2. Next, quotient rule. Quotient rule is important thing as same way product rule. Here u comma v, u over v, u over v, you can see it has numerator function and denominator function. Such a function differentiate, we can dy by dx equal u is u over v, then dy by dx equal v times, v is a denominator function, v time differentiated function of u minus u. Here definitely minus, definitely must be minus. U is a numerator function and multiply by differentiated function of denominator function. After that divided by denominator function square. V is denominator function. Next, example number 6. Y equal x square over 2x plus 5. Let u as x square, v as 2x plus 5. Then dy by dx 2x plus 5 times differentiated function of numerator function minus numerator function times differentiated function of denominator function, and finally divided by denominator function square. As the final answer we can get this. Second question, y equal 2x over ex. Let u as 2x and v as ex. Then dy by dx ex time differentiated function of numerator function and 2 minus 2x differentiated function of ex is denominator function, and finally divided by ex to the power 2. Then as the final answer we can get 2 times e minus x over ex. Third one, ex over sin x. Let u as ex and v as sin x. Then dy by dx sin x differentiated function of ex minus ex time differentiated function of sin x over sin x square. Then dy by dx as the final answer we can get this. Okay, here is not minus value because sin x after differentiate we can get cos x. Here is mistake, sorry for that. Here plus cos x, so here must be minus. So as the final answer ex sin x minus cos x over sin x into the power 2. Next, in this part we are going to talk about equation of the tangent and normal to the curve if y equal fx. Here you can see the image. Then you can see and identify what is the normal and what is the angle. You should remember here normal is the straight line perpendicular to the tangent at point where it touches the curve. Hint, this normal is the straight line. Normal is this. Normal is the straight line perpendicular with tangent line. tangent is this. Okay, next. Example number 7. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve if y equal x cube minus 3x square plus 2x minus 1 at the point 3, 5. Then by substituting we can after differentiate we can get dy by dx equal 3x square minus 6x plus 2 equation of the tangent. We know after substituting for x relevant value we can get, after substituting for this equation we can get this, and answer, as the answer we can get dy by dx equal 11. The gradient of the tangent is 11, value 11. By using y minus y naught equal m times x minus x naught, I think you know basic theory of a straight line. After substituting for this equation we can get tangent line equation y equal 11x minus 28. Next, find the equation, this equation. We found tangent equation. Next we find normal equation. Equation of the normal, we know by using m times m1 m2 equal minus 1, the gradient of the normal, if gradient is normal m, then tangent gradient we can get minus 1 over that m. We can get m2 as minus 1 over 11 by using this equation and m this value 1 over 11, we can get equation of normal line. Next, this part station for a point of a curve and discuss whether they are maximum or minimum. You can see this picture has two minimum and one maximum. A point where the gradient of fx stops increasing and start decreasing is called a maximum point. Also, a point where the gradient of fx stops decreasing and start increasing is called a minimum point. Further, actually I like to say this part is stationary. Find the stationary points of a curve and we are going to discuss whether they are maximum or minimum. Here you can identify what is the maximum and what is the minimum points. There are two minimum point and one maximum point here. When we talk about what are the definition of the minimum point and the maximum point, points where the gradient of fx stop increasing stop increasing and start decreasing is called a maximum point. A point where the gradient of fx stop decreasing and start decreasing is called a minimum point. Next, you should remember this note. If dy by dx equals 0 and d square y by dx square less than 0, the point is maximum as well. If dy by dx equals 0 and d square y by dx square greater than 0, the point is minimum. Question. Find the coordinates. Find the coordinates of the turning point on the curve if y equal x to the power 4 minus 32x and state whether it is a maximum or minimum. First of all, when solve such a question, first of all we have to differentiate this function, given function. After differentiate, we can get 4x cubed minus 32, 4x cubed minus 32. When dy by dx equal to 0, it means 4x cubed minus 32 equals 0. Then we can get x value equal to 2. And when x equals 0, y equal 4 times 2 cube minus 32 multiplied by 2, and y value is minus 48. Then the stationary point is at 2 comma minus 48. When x equals 0, when x equal 2, d square y by dx square equal 12, 2 square equal 4. 4 is positive value, so it greater than 0, so the stationary point is minimum. Next, chain rule. Chain rule. Okay, this is the nice part called a chain rule. You should remember this one. Here we can rewrite dy by dx by using function of u. U is another function. Dy over dx equal dy over du times du over dx. No need to take this serious. When you go through below example, you can clear that. Next, discussions. Example number 9. Y equal x square minus 7x to the power 4, then u as x square minus 7x, then y equal u to the power 4, then dy by dx equal dy over du, and it multiply by du by dx. Du over dx, we can get it, u is x function, so after differentiate by x, we can get du over dx equal 4. So dy over du equal cos u then dy over dx cos u times 4 cos u is 4x. As the final answer, we can get 4 cos 4x. Try to find an answer for these questions by using the chain rule without basic theory. Only use chain rule. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Hope you guys learned something on differentiation. Good luck. Further pure mathematics. I'm Imadu Amal Jayanayake, HND Engineering in Sri Lanka. Nice day. Thank you for your watching.